Hi my tarot bumblebees, it's Ethony and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi. I am a modern witch and tarot reader, and sometimes I do these unboxings on my channel. And today I have got the True Heart Intuitive Tarot by Rachel True. And if you are a witch like me, chances are you know who Rachel True is. She is iconic and an actress who starred in The Craft. Yes, the original and the best. And she has come out with her own tarot deck. Now, Rachel True has been reading for a very long time. It is something that is a part of her daily practice. So I was so excited. I slammed the pre-order button when this came up for order, and I cannot wait to go through it. Now, my box got completely destroyed in the mail by Amazon. I got a dent there and a ding there, and the thing is broken. But you know what? It doesn't matter. I can deal with the box. It's got a bit of, problems. So I'm going to switch over the cameras and we're going to go through this deck, and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and do it now. Yay! Let's open this baby up. Like I said, my box got completely trashed by Amazon, but whatever. I only really keep boxes like this to store. This image is so beautiful. That's obviously the Fool, but I take them out and put my decks onto my reading altar. So it's not a big deal for me. That is a chunky monkey guidebook. All right, I did it. No one needed to see me struggle for a full minute to get that off. I love the backs. Kind of reminds me, everyone's doing pattern backs now. Gee, wonder who started that. Okay, that's really, really lovely. Okay, let's have a think. The cardstock is thin. I imagine that people, I don't know, has everyone had a go at the cardstock online? I haven't seen. I do not think this is going to hold up to a lot of shuffling, to be honest. It's a mass-produced deck, guys. I've been seeing a lot of this deck online and I really love it already. It's mass-produced, so, which is interesting because I don't know about in the States. How much is this in the States? $30 higher in Canada, which is an absolute joke. But anyway, $30 for a mass-produced deck is not on, I guess it's pretty standard. But even with this paper, you would think that it's this high gloss paper, but it's not color. It's random. It's so random. Why is this not in color? I don't know who made those decisions. I know for 100% fact that it wasn't Rachel herself because, I've created decks myself, but that's just a really interesting choice. Anyway, let's get through this. Let's get to this deck. I love the imagery. It's modern, magician, but it has, it stays true to the, I love them fungi, the Rider-Waite sort of vibe. Oh, that's a cool emperor. Has thin borders, as you can see, and nice clear titles. And as you can see too, we already have a lot of diversity. I wonder if we'll see body diversity, but we're definitely seeing diversity. Are they little mushrooms? Yeah, there's little mushrooms at the hermit's feet. Cute. It's really gorgeous. The colors definitely pop. Oh, I like that hanged man. Sorry, I had to look at it. If you have a look, there's different animals in the tree. So there's humans, there's bulls, bears, all sorts of stuff. That's really cool. Sorry, that was not in frame. Oh, death. That is a fucking gorgeous death card. That is stunning. I'm going to see, I have a feeling, I haven't looked into this much as this is my first impressions. That's really cool too. That Rachel probably had a pretty big hand in the imagery in the art. Now I know Rachel has also been reading the tarot for a long time. That's gorgeous. Oh, the sun is beautiful. And this world, oh, phenomenal. So gorgeous. So we're already having this gorgeous, like very universal. The only thing I'm not seeing so far is different body shapes. And I don't think we've seen many older people. And again, if you've watched any of my, oh, interesting. I love the, all the patterns and images on it, like all the beautiful mandalas and patterns. If you've watched any of my unboxings, you know, I talk about diversity in the decks. 7 of Cups. Oh, this 9 of Cups is about to come up. Oh, gorge. Gorgeous. Okay. And we have Princess. Beautiful. Oh, I love it how they're like archways. Prince instead of, so this is more the Thoth. Princess for pages, Prince for knight, Queen for queen, and King for king. I love the archways. That's gorgeous. Like it's a little window to their world. That's beautiful. This ace is gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful deck. It's going to be so easy to work with. Very easy for people who are looking for a lovely beginner deck. Oh, that's wicked. I like that one. So the next one is, this is, as many of you know, is one of my favorite cards in the entire tarot deck in regards to like its meaning and all that. And that is phenomenal. So we have beautiful, look at that rich burgundy. Oh, this queen, look at her crown. Look at these crowns. Gorgeous. The design of these are so stunning. I am obsessed. I knew I was going to love this from the very small amount that I saw already on my Instagram. Oh, this 5 of Wands, Medusa. Yes, Gorgon. Oh, this is also, look how fucking cool this 8 of Wands is. The different parts of the brain. Oh, that's amazing. Oh, that's a really powerful image. Oh, so beautiful. Look at that gorgeous phoenix. Stunning. I love, love, love the design aesthetic to this. I got the patterns of each. Oh, the 3 swords. Love. Yep, that wouldn't be fun. Oh, I like the birds carrying her away. That's cool. As many of you know, I very much enjoy the swords suit. That's awesome. The worms, the buggies, and the boogies inside. Not boogies, but like the boogeymen. 10 of Swords. These more. Gorgeous. So this is beautiful. I am obsessed. And the only... Oh my gosh, I thought that was like a mark on the card, but it's actually... it's meant to be there. It's a bug. The only thing I would say, okay, there's a couple of things. The cardstock isn't fantastic. That's not on. That's just a choice they'd made. I don't really care all that much. I just have a feeling that once I start shuffling this like I normally do, it's going to start to chip and fray pretty easily. So I might have to get a backup. I don't understand why the guidebook wasn't color, especially with this like gloss. Like, yeah, because that's expensive paper. Like, I don't know. Anyway, that was a choice. Again, that was the publisher. And the only thing about the artwork was there was no body diversity. Everyone's pretty skinny, like across the board. But there's a lot of diversity. So it's just no body shapes or age. I think the High Priestess might be the only one who had grey hair. I mean, technically, well, she's got flowers for hair. But that's it. So I'm going to shuffle and then we're going to have a look at the guidebook. And I do have to use the same measuring stick that I do for everyone's decks. I comment on that all the time. So I'm not picking apart anyone in particular. They shuffle really nicely. That's, I think, one thing about the thinner cardstock. It shuffles nicely. Princess of Swords. Okay, so let's have a look through the guidebook. Now, this is a bit big, so I'm going to try and make sure it's in frame. Yeah, like why? Anyway. I don't know why they did that. Dedicated to, aww. Yes, but this is such a gorgeous deck. So contents, maybe it was meant to be coloured. I don't know. So this is introduction. This is interesting. While it's true that I were the cast mates who had a prior interest in the esoteric, she owned panpipes. I myself never identified as a pagan or witch, although to the more conservative mind, I may have habits and rituals that appear earthy, a tad witchy. I'm not a total muggle. I just hate labels. Cute. Okay, it mentions Brooch of Pollock, of course. And so we got tapping into your intuition, the backstory, choosing a tarot deck, finding your deck, the actor's way. Ooh, fun. Digging into your deck. So then we have tarot by the numbers. Look at all this. Court cards, reversals or low vibe, shuffling, so a really nice intro there. Solid work. And then tarot spreads. 1 card, 1 question, 3 card, Celtic cross, 11 card mother piece. 10 card relationship, the true heart tarot 5 card insight. So what you desire, will you get it? Is this desire in alignment? If attained, will the desire be sustained? And where your energy should be focused. That's a cool one. So then there's a sample reading, which is really rad. And then final thoughts. And then we go into, so there's quite a lot in here. Look at that. Damn. And then there's also some like personal information. Is that the same for each one? Oh yeah. So there's a bunch of personal, does that happen all the way through? Let's have a look. So now we have, so I just found the Princess of Swords, and as you can see, we have high vibe, low vibe, pulled in low vibe, and this here, there's not the same sort of personal reflections, which I mean, she has done so much extra, like there's so much information for the major arcana. So like keywords, quite a lot there. So this is a lovely chunky guidebook, and you're also going to get to know a lot about her own journey in this. And then at the back, that's it. We just go through there. This is a great guidebook. Amazing. So I really like this deck. I slammed the pre-order button when it came out. I'm really glad I got it. I may even get a secondary deck so that I can shuffle the crap out of it, because we all know how I shuffle. I will link below where you can get this deck, but basically like anywhere, Amazon, all that kind of stuff. Do you have the deck? Are you working with it? Let me know your thoughts, and I will see you all next time.